in Arizona, we've had a windy couple of days thanks to a cold front and a storm system moving through, and that is moving away from Arizona finally today and into tomorrow. Over the next 24 hours, it'll be completely out of our state. Behind it, we've had this colder air mass settle in, and that's why this morning and yesterday morning, the temperatures really dropped off so much. We made it to the upper 30s to mid 40s around the valley 2 mornings in a row. We're at 55 right now, and our winds are light. They're out of the east southeast at 6 miles per hour. But these temperatures are cold in the high country. We're back above freezing in Flagstaff at 34, and we're now at 31, just below freezing in Greer. That picture there coming in from Sunrise. Both of these spots were in the low teens earlier this morning. Sedona mostly sunny and 41 right now. It is 38 degrees currently in Prescott. A quick update for you on Hurricane Rafael. It is still a Category 2 storm. It has pushed over Cuba and into the Gulf of Mexico with 110-mile-per-hour sustained winds. It's moving to the west, and where Rafael is heading next, it's kind of a confusing look here at the cone because it doesn't look at all like a cone. The highlights here that you need to know about Rafael is that it's going to weaken to a Cat 1 and then a tropical storm as it moves into some cooler waters and kind of gets torn apart by some wind shear in the Gulf of Mexico. After that, it drifts off to the south. It's just an area of low pressure. So at this point, not terribly worried about a major landfall here with this system, but all eyes, of course, are still on Hurricane Rafael as a Cat 2 storm this morning. We'll keep you updated on that. Here at home, let's talk about what you can expect heading into your weekend. So few flurries still possible in eastern Arizona today on the very backside of this storm system, which again, it's on the move. It's moving away from us. It's got some heavy rain though and heavy snow as it emerges from the Rockies and into the Plain States. For Arizona, a weak ridge of high pressure builds in next, and that's going to lead to some really nice weather. This is that area of low lifting up and away from us. Timeline here at the top. This is the jet stream, and this is a ridge of high pressure. It's a fairly weak ridge, but it's going to bring some really nice temperatures for your Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, especially as that ridge builds in. Pops us back to the 80s, which 80 is about normal for us for this time of year, so this is actually back above average. Today, well below average with that high of 70, some low 80s for Sunday and for Veterans Day on Monday. And at this point, next week is looking dry with a warm up by the end of the week.